Puritam Shri Nandanandaram Vande Shri Radhika Charanadvayam Gopijana Samayuktam Vrindavana Manoharam Om Jnana Tarandasya Gyananjana Shakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So this is KARTTIK class number 2, October 21st, 2021. We're continuing discussion of verse 16 from Vilav Kusmanjali. And the main point of this verse is emphasizing service over friendship. Dasirati over Sakirati. Because Radharani has offered Das Goswami and Manjari Sroop. Oh, where's my bag? Yeah. Radharani has offered Tulsi Manjari friendship. She said, you don't have to be my dasi anymore. You can be my friend. You can have all the privileges and intimacy of being my friend like Lalita Vishaka. And Rati Manjari heard that. She said, no, I don't want that. I'm happy being a servant. Your service is Varadasya. It's excellent. It's called Vara. He says Varadasya. I prefer this because this is excellent. I'm perfect like I am. I don't want anything more. So we discussed many points of the verse, and now there's some philosophical points and one lila. And in Rag Bhakti, there's two types of Rag Bhakti in Madhurya Rati, and we'll hear about those. This type of Rag Bhakti we're following the gopis, and they're called Kamatmika Bhav. Their whole Atma is full of amorous passion to love and serve Krishna, Kam. That's transcendental. So there's two types. There's Bhavichatmika